So, hello and welcome back. Now, we're doing something else to the Ranger. Okay, so I've been on eBay and I got a bit excited, all right, and I've bought myself a nudge bar. Now, I like 4x4s with a nudge bar on, so let me show you what I've got. There it is, stainless steel. I've even got the fixing kit here somewhere. Oh, bear with me, there it is. Yeah. This has to be the worst instruction manual I've ever seen. We will slightly be guessing what we're doing, but it makes sense. This bit basically goes on there. It looks quite simple, to be honest. So yeah, let's see if we can get it on all right. So this doesn't look too bad to fit. Basically, they go. Oh, hang on, I've got that wrong. That goes inside the car, inside, and then the bracket there bolts on the bottom, and then yeah, jobs are good. So I've got these weird nuts. Apparently they go in the top ones, and then you get a normal nut in the bottom. But let's find out. So there's the brackets on. So let me show you this one first. Nice and easy. There's two holes. Oh, bear with me. Oh, hang on. Where is it? Ah, there we go. There's two holes there. And then the bull bar just fits onto these two. And then you alter, I presume, these two to have it so it sits correct, you know. So, yeah, let's get it on. So, that's the bull bar on. So, like I say, you can still read the registration plate. I like that, it gives it more of an aggressive look. So, like I say, it's quite straightforward, really. You just bolt the bull bar onto here, and then you get someone. You do need two people for this, by the way. So, get someone to hold it up while you bolt it in line. So, actually, that's nice and solid on there. Yeah, so oh, bear with me, so I'm well happy with that. Look at that. Lovely. So this is the end of the video. I mean, it literally took me, I think, 15 minutes to put it on. Literally 15 minutes. I can't believe how quick it was to put the bull bar on. Slightly worrying how quick it is to get it off again. Just you know, if someone wanted to borrow it for theirs, but yeah, it's on. So quite happy with that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon with another video.